There's a channel out there with barely a handful of videos, and look at the views it's pulling in. Some of these long-form videos are getting numbers that most creators never hit, even after years of consistent uploading. And the craziest part? Every single video is made using just one AI tool and one click. No filming, no actors, no expensive editing software. Today I'm going to show you exactly how this works, step by step, so you can build the exact same kind of video yourself. This channel dropped a video just a few days ago and it's already racked up a massive number of views. Scroll down their channel and you'll see the same pattern repeating, video after video, pulling in huge numbers, all in the same style, all built the same way. This isn't a one-time fluke, it's a repeatable system, and today I'm going to teach you how to build that exact same type of video from start to finish, using tools that are completely free to use. So what's actually driving all these views? Two things. First, a strong, emotionally engaging story, something with real stakes, real emotion, something people want to keep watching. Second, video length. Most of these high-performing videos run somewhere between 20 and 29 minutes long because longer watch time tells YouTube's algorithm that people are actually staying, and that's what gets pushed to more viewers. So that's your target, a genuinely solid story, paired with a video length of 20 minutes or more. Now, a lot of people hear that and immediately think, okay, but where do I even get a story idea that good? I'm not a writer. Here's the good news. You don't need to invent something from nothing. The smartest creators don't reinvent the wheel. They get inspired by what's already proven to work and then build their own original spin on it. Step 1. Find a video in this exact style that already has strong, proven views and copy its link. Then go to Google and search YouTube transcript. Open the first website that comes up, paste the video link in and click Get Free Transcript. Within seconds, you'll have the entire spoken script of that video sitting in front of you as plain text. Copy it. Just remember, this is your inspiration base, not something to copy word for word. Think of it as a reference for tone, structure, and pacing, not a script to plagiarize. Step 2. Open ChatGPT, paste that transcript in, and follow it with a master prompt built specifically for script generation. This prompt instructs ChatGPT to study the structure, emotional beats, and tone of that transcript, and then write you a completely new, original story inspired by it, never copied. You can swap in your own theme here too, a different main character, a different setting, a different cultural angle, whatever fits your channel's identity. From there, you choose how many scenes you want. 50 scenes will give you roughly a 5 to 8 minute video. 200 scenes will push you past the 20-minute mark, right in that sweet spot we talked about earlier. Within seconds, ChatGPT hands you a full scene-by-scene script, complete with a title, character dialogue, and clear structure from beginning to end. Step 3. Consistent characters are what separate an amateur-looking AI video from one that actually looks professional. Using a second master prompt, ChatGPT will generate a detailed, structured character description for every single main character in your story, whether that's 3 characters, 5, or 10. This description becomes your character's identity sheet, and it's what keeps their face, clothing, and appearance locked in and consistent across every single scene of your video. Step 4. Once your characters are locked in, use the third master prompt, the scene prompt generator, to convert your entire written script into individual, ready-to-use visual prompts, 10 scenes at a time. Paste it in, generate, click Next, and repeat. Within just a few clicks, every single scene in your story has its own polished, camera-ready visual prompt, fully prepared for the next stage. Now here's the part that makes this entire workflow completely free. If you have a Geo SIM card, open the MyGeo app, search Google Gemini, and you'll find an offer for an 18-month free Google Flow Pro subscription worth thousands of rupees, completely free of charge. Activate it, link it to your Gmail account, and you're instantly credited with 1,000 generation credits every single month. Step 6. Inside Google Flow, start a new project, select the image generation model and set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Take the character prompt you generated earlier from ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a full character reference sheet, front view, side view, multiple expressions, all perfectly consistent. Repeat this process for every character in your story before moving forward. Step 7, and this is the real-time saver. Switch over to Agent Mode inside Google Flow, add all of your generated characters using the plus icon, then head back to ChatGPT and copy scenes 1 through 10 of your visual prompts all at once. Paste them directly into Google Flow, confirm your settings are still on 16 to 9, and hit Generate. All 10 scenes render together in about a minute. Then simply repeat with scenes 11 through 20, and keep going in batches of 10 until your entire story has been generated. Once everything's rendered out, drop all the clips into any free video editor in the correct order. Add your channel name as a simple branding element, pick a clean font, layer in some background music, and your long-form video is essentially ready. Editing at this stage takes minutes, not hours. And that's the entire workflow, from a single story idea, all the way to a fully generated long-form AI video, using nothing but free tools and a handful of clicks for all the heavy lifting. If this helped you out, hit follow because I'm breaking down more AI content creation methods just like this one every single week. And if you get stuck on any step along the way or there's a specific topic you'd like a full video on, drop it in the comments. I read every single one.